Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will discuss important topic libraries in the modern era. Detailed discussion. So let's get started. How are libraries more useful than the internet? So libraries are more reliable and authentic sources of information because books and journals are carefully selected and verified. Although the internet provides quick access to information, it often contains misleading or inaccurate content. Moreover, libraries provide a peaceful and distraction free environment for study. Therefore, students can concentrate better. In addition, libraries guide readers in finding credible resources, whereas on the internet, users must judge the authenticity themselves. Important vocabularies: authentic means real and trustworthy, reliable, dependable, and accurate. Misleading means giving wrong ideas or information. Misleading means wrong ideas or information. Credible, believable, and trustworthy. Concentrate, to focus attention. To focus attention. Conjunction: some important conjunction are used in the topic. Although the internet is fast, libraries provide accurate knowledge because क्योंकि libraries verify their books, they are reliable sources. Moreover, libraries create a disciplined study atmosphere. How do libraries protect and share knowledge? Protect and share knowledge. Libraries preserve knowledge by storing books, manuscripts, digital archives, and systematically. They classify materials according to subject so that readers can easily locate information. Furthermore, libraries digitize rare documents to protect them to damage. As a result, future generation can access valuable historical records. Not only libraries store knowledge, but they also organize seminars and reading programs to share information with the community. Preserve means to protect and maintain manuscripts, handwritten or documents. Digitize, convert into digital form. Achiever: archives collection of historical records. Archives means collections of historical records systematically in an organized way. Conjunctions: library. Some important conjunctions used here. Libraries protect books so that knowledge remains safe. The digitized documents because physical copies may deteriorate. Not only do libraries store books, but they also educate society. How can libraries change with new technology? Libraries can adopt modern technology by introducing ebooks, online catalogs, membership. Science technology is rapidly advancing. Libraries must innovate to instance. Many libraries provide free Wi-Fi and computer access. Consequently, cannot afford personal device can still complete their research. Therefore, the technology libraries into hybrid knowledge centers. Adopt means accept, to use, innovate, introduce new ideas, relevant, important, and useful. Hybrid: combination of two things. Hybrid means combination of two things. Access means opportunity to use. Conjunction: since technology is growing, libraries must adopt. For instance, digital catalogs makes searching easier. Consequently, more people benefit from library services. How can libraries remain valuable in era of computers and the internet? Even though computers and the internet are widespread, libraries remain valuable because they promote critical thinking and deep reading. While online reading is often brief, library study encourages through understanding. Additionally, libraries provide equal opportunities to everyone regardless of economic background. Thus, they support educational equality and social development, critical thinking, careful and logical analysis through complete and detailed. Thorough means complete and detailed information, widespread, widely distributed. Equality, fairness for all, development, growth, and progress. Even though the internet is popular, libraries are essential. While platforms offer speed, libraries provide depth. Thus, libraries contribute to social progress. How can libraries make change to stay significant? To stay significant, libraries should organize workshops, cultural events, and career guidance programs. If libraries collaborate with schools and universities, they can attract more students. Furthermore, they should update their collections regularly. Otherwise, readers may lose internet interest in conclusion. Combination of tradition and innovation, libraries can maintain their importance in modern society. Significant means important. Significant means important. Collaborate means work together. Regularly means consistently. Innovation, new methods or ideas maintained to continue preserve. If libraries modernize, they will remain important. Furthermore, update resources, attract readers. In conclusion, libraries are pillars of knowledge.